Ever try to grow grass and nothing comes up? You water it, you wait, and all you get is dirt? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix a bare spot the right way, especially after using crabgrass preventer, which can kill your seed before it even has a chance. Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Today we're tackling a problem a lot of folks run into, this bare spot right here from a tree removal. And if you've recently put down crabgrass preventer, as I did, you got an extra challenge on your hands. So the first thing I'm doing is bringing in some fresh topsoil. I'm putting down about a 2-inch layer over the bare area. Now here's the reason that crabgrass preventer is sitting in the existing soil, and if your seed touches it, it's game over. That seed won't germinate. So this layer of topsoil acts like a buffer zone. It gives your seed a safe place to grow. Next, I'm raking it out nice and even. You want a smooth surface, good contact, no big clumps. Now we're spreading the grass seed. I like using a spreader so I get even coverage. Once the seed is down, I lightly rake it in, not too deep. You just want to tuck it into the soil. Now let's talk about what it really takes to grow grass from seed, because this is where most people go wrong. Grass seed needs consistent moisture, not soaking wet, not bone dry. You want to keep that top layer damp, especially during germination. How many of you have thrown seed down and forgotten to water it regularly? Be honest in the comments. Cool season grasses, like what we typically grow here, do best in spring and fall. Right now we're pushing towards summer, so that means we've got to stay on top of watering, or that seed will dry out fast. If your seed is just sitting on top of hard ground, it's not going to grow. That's why I rake it in lightly. Good contact makes all the difference. This is a big one. Crabgrass preventer doesn't know the difference between weed seed and your grass seed. So if you've already applied it as I did, this topsoil trick is what gives you a second chance. Did you know crabgrass preventer can stop your grass seed too? Drop a comment if that one surprised you. Birds love fresh grass seed. That light top layer I put down, that's your protection. You can also use straw, but don't overdo it or you'll block sunlight. I've got a little deadline on this one. I want this spot looking good before our 4th of July celebration. There's nothing better than a clean yard, good grass, and family getting together. So here's my question for you. What's been your biggest struggle with growing grass? Is it watering, bad soil, birds eating everything? Let me know down in the comments. If this video helped you out, give it a like. Share it with someone fighting a bare spot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is James Carpenter with Country Living, the guy who builds smart, practical things that save money and solve real problems. And I'll see you in the next one.